TXGA MCRF RF connector. TXGA MCRF RF connector are available in multiple generations including the first, third, fourth, and sixth generations of miniature RF connectors, as well as the third generation of RF switch connectors. A variety of form factors are offered to meet diverse mechanical requirements. The connectors feature a snap-on coupling mechanism with a robust mechanical locking structure that effectively resists vibration and shock, preventing accidental disconnection. With a footprint as small as 1.2 by 1.2 millimeters and a minimum mated height of only 0.8 millimeters, TXGA MCRF RF connector enable highly flexible and space-efficient PCB layouts. Engineered for superior electrical performance, the connectors deliver excellent anti-interference capability and low signal loss. They achieve a VSWR of 1.5 max and maintain a characteristic impedance of 50 ohms, ensuring signal integrity and stability. TXGA MCRF RF connector supporting frequencies from 0 to 1000 Hz. TXGA MCRF RF connector are compatible with multiple communication standards including 1G, mmWave sub, Bluetooth, 4G, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. They operate reliably across a wide temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius, making them an ideal choice for devices used in harsh environments. Today, TXGA MCRF RF connector are widely adopted in industries such as wireless communications, medical equipment, drones, and sensors. TXGA driven by innovation and craftsmanship, delivering connectivity you can trust. Enter TXGA official website. You can quickly obtain product technical information. Inventory and shipping cycles, product prices, and other information. Order online on TXGA official website. Enjoy a convenient and efficient service experience.